My name is Timlola Oyenuga, and I'm the head of design at Spazio Ideale. The initial brief for Moniepoint Microfinance Bank, an office space here in Lagos, was to design a unique experiential space for personalized customer support, to consequently enhance the brand value and trust, while ensuring community inclusivity and giving considerations to aesthetic appeal, minimalism, and functionality.
The design process started with understanding the client's brief and objectives, then doing an in-depth research and data gathering that informed the design decisions while planning out and developing the concept of each space.
Some of the biggest challenges we faced during the project were the crunch project timeline, as well as the changes in the brief at several milestones of the project. However, our team took this as an opportunity to deliver excellently. We overcame both challenges through thorough and proper project management. To interpret Moniepoint's brand identity and incorporate it into the design, it was crucial to first understand their vision, mission, and core values. They are known for reliable and efficient financial services, emphasizing accessibility, trust, and innovation. And we reflected this in the design through the clean and open layout, which reinforces trust. We also interpreted their brand identity through interactive murals as well as the brand color scheme.
The murals as a whole reflects the Moniepoint's brand identity, with one of the murals displaying customer inclusivity, diversity, and technological innovation.